Hi everyone, in this video I will be packing up my bracelets that I'm going to send out for Secret Santa. I believe the Secret Santa is organized by Bug Bracelets and someone else. I forgot her name, and if somebody knows their name, please comment down below so I can give them credit for organizing this awesome event. So I have signed up to send out 2 packages, and I am going to send out 2 almost identical packages, and both of these packages are going to be containing one of these, and I am going to be sending them some stickers. I'm going to send them my Merry Christmas sticker, my Adam sticker, my Stitch Mandala sticker, and my Save the Turtle sticker. And before I start packaging, I want to let you know that I have opened a Redbubble shop since I love making designs like this one, and I wanted to be able to sell them on a platform that actually makes them available more things than only stickers, such as masks or water bottles. So feel free to check it out, and I would really appreciate it if you could let me guys know what you think of the shop, or that you want a certain design, for instance another Disney character full of mandalas like this one. So now on to the packaging. For packaging I use a cardboard paper, and I am going to go to smaller ones since this one doesn't fit in my little bag. Which with smaller ones I mean the ones that you can like wrap the bracelet around like this, and then you can put them on. So, but for this one I am gonna put it on diagonal, and I am going to be taping it down. Like this, so it is safe and secure for the journey. And I am actually going to send out my bracelets to America. Well, actually I've gotten 2 addresses that are in America, and I'm really happy that somebody came up with this event, because I think it's a lovely way for the bracelet community to share their bracelets with each other, because it's more kind of like an exchange. And I have more bracelets with charms like these, and I always send them out in the little frosted baggies like this one. I don't put them on the card because I don't think it looks that nice, and I feel like they're more secure this way. Next up are the stickers. I am going to put the stickers in a bigger bag, a bigger plastic bag, and for reference this is the size I put the bracelet with the charm in. And the reason I chose to put these ones in a bigger bag is to give them more space to move around while traveling. And finally I have these cute aqua blue baggies, and I am going to put this one in it, and I am going to put these stickers in it. So normally I would also put this one in it, but this one is just too big to put in it. But when I have my smaller cardboard cards, I can put them in it. And then I just kind of close it like this to keep them all in here. The second one that I'm going to pack will be in a timeless form, so enjoy!